Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can remove the background noise that is being detected by your microphone on Discord. So what you need to do is go to user settings over here in the bottom left corner and then go to voice and video. Now scroll down to find voice processing section over here. We have several options that we can use. For instance, we have echo cancellation, which is useful if you want to get rid of the background noise, and in addition to that we also have noise suppression, which it is recommended to use crisp. This seems to be working the best most of the time. However, there might be different results for different people, so if you have trouble with this one for some reason, it doesn't work well for you, you can also try the standard one. Also below that we have advanced voice activity, which is also great. For instance, if you have your microphone really close to your, let's say, desk, and you keep hitting something by accident, or I don't know, anything, so you do something by accident and there is noise, this option might prevent Discord from catching it. So if you don't talk and you do something by accident and there is a noise because of that, then the microphone might not be enabled by doing so. And also we have automatic gain control, which is not really used for background noise. However, it is also recommended to use it in order to level the volume level of your microphone. So for instance, if you talk quiet, then the microphone level, the volume level of your microphone will be increased, and if you talk loudly, then the microphone volume level will be decreased in order to match it and level it up. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.